Hi, this is Sahana. In this session, we are going to understand logical and operator. This video is part of C Sharp tutorial series. If you want to go through all the related videos, you can go through C Sharp tutorial playlist. I'll keep playlist link in the description. You can have a look. As you all know, logical operators are used to evaluate Boolean expressions. And C Sharp has a whole list of logical operators. In C Sharp, we have two types of AND operators. We call first one as logical AND operator, which is represented by single ampersand, and the other one is conditional logical AND operator, which is represented by double ampersand. Both of these operators are almost same, but there are few differences. We are going to understand both of these operators, and we are also going to understand what are the differences between these two operators. Let's understand few of the similarities between these two operators. These are binary operators. That means they operate on two operands and they compute the logical AND of its operands. Single ampersand is used to represent logical AND operator and double ampersand is used to represent conditional logical AND operator. Let's understand these operators with the help of this console application. Here I have written few lines to show you how they evaluate the operands. Here I have written different combinations of true and false. Let's see how they evaluate these expressions. I will run this application. Let's see the output. Look at the output. The result is true only if both the operands are true. This is same for this conditional logical AND operator and logical AND operator. See, even this is true only if both the operands are true. If any of the operands is false, then the result is false. There are few differences between these two operators. The first difference is if you use single ampersand, we call it as logical AND operator. This operator evaluates both operands even if the left-hand operand evaluates to false. If you use double ampersand, we call this as conditional logical AND operator. This is also called as short-circuiting logical AND operator. If the left-hand operand evaluates to false, then right-hand operand is not evaluated. If we talk about this example, here we are using double ampersand, that is conditional logical AND operator or short-circuiting logical AND operator. In this case, the first operand is true. Then it will consider second operand and it will evaluate both the operands. Again, in this case, first operand is true, so it will check second operand, then it will decide the result. But in this case, the first operand is false. Then it will not check for the second operand. It will directly evaluate the expression to false. The same is true for this case. The first operand is false, so it will not check for the second operand. In this case, we are using single ampersand. We call it as logical AND operator. This, regardless of first operand, it will evaluate both the operands and then it will decide the result. Apart from this, there are few important things to know. For operands of the integral numeric types, the AND operator computes the bitwise logical AND of its operands. We are going to discuss bitwise logical operators in some other session. That means we are not talking about double ampersand. We are talking about single ampersand. And the unary AND operator is the address of operator. That means if AND operator, that means single ampersand, is used with single operand, then it will become address of operator. Address of operator returns the address. That's it for today's session. I hope the session was useful. Thanks for your time. See you soon in the next video. Thank you.